Occasionally, catching a falling knife always results in agony. Of course, savvy investors can profit quickly by trading at times of increased market volatility. However, given the current circumstances, going all in on cryptocurrency is not a smart move. While some investors are selling, macro expert Robert Powell is banking on the dip amid strong crypto headwinds, which he believes is the proper move to make right now. Welcome to Cardano Insider. We provide the latest news of Cardano ADA. To stay updated with exciting news, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. To know more, please watch till the end. Early adopters of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies have made big gains. A down market can instantly change into a bull market, as we've seen in the previous year. The cryptocurrency market has a lengthy history of being extremely volatile, which is obviously not what investors are looking for in a volatile market. All cryptocurrencies have seen pullbacks, including Cardano ADA. The legendary investor Warren Buffett stated that he will not pay $25 for all of the Bitcoin in the world during a Berkshire annual investor conference, adding that he does not know whether the price of Bitcoin will increase or decrease over the next 5 or 10 years. However, I am certain that it does not multiply. It has no effect on what he said. The volatility of Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies might someday disappear. However, the recent price movement in the cryptocurrency market indicates that it has been and will likely continue to be a wild ride. Given all of his bullish predictions, Real Vision creator and former Goldman Sachs executive Raoul Powell appears to have a keen interest in cryptocurrencies. Unfortunately, some of his prophecies have come true, sending investors into a state of fury and sorrow. After the crypto meltdown in May 2022, the creator of Real Vision tweeted his displeasure with the situation of the cryptocurrency market. He claimed that the cryptocurrency Twitter community has employed irate individuals who shout at anyone who has opposing ideas. Additionally, he suggested that cryptocurrency investors should get along with one another rather than fighting over moral principles. Powell was encouraged to address the victims of the terror crash by several Twitter users. In another tweet, Powell asserted that despite previously backing Luna, he never did so. When the initiative failed, he made the assertion that it was essentially risk-free in a video that later leaked on social media. December 2021. The macro expert included Luna on his list of favored currencies, inspiring several investors to follow suit. Sadly, he was mistaken. Rose Powell's switch from crypto to macro was as quick as the flash collapse, a Twitter user remarked, and this was a blatant denial of the house's September 2021 prophecy. Bitcoin was also down 56% from its record high after the initial drop. He projected that Ethereum would reach $20,000 and that the crypto king would reach $400,000. The predictions turned out to be horribly incorrect. He also stated back in 2020 that Bitcoin's price will reach $1 million within 5 years and that cryptocurrencies might grow to be a $250 trillion asset class by 2030. He was given the moniker Crypto Booster because of his extravagant predictions. However, there is one thing that crypto analysts and forecasts do not know. Investors, particularly those still learning on the job, have a tendency to make decisions based on their feelings. Veteran investors are savvy enough to manage the deluge of rumors and projections, but newcomers are the major focus. Currently, Raoul Powell has stated that he is still betting on Cardano ADA futures and is putting all of his money into cryptocurrency. Maybe this choice won't go the same way as the others. Powell also forecasted a record-breaking rate of increase in the market capitalization of cryptocurrencies and Web3 projects in a recent Google Tech Talks interview. He asserted that the $1 trillion market cap for cryptocurrencies may reach $300 trillion in just 10 years. This news now has a bombshell ring to it. Right? Just amazing. Yes, it is an amazing viewpoint. Due to a dramatic series of events, the market cap for all cryptocurrencies has dropped to $170 billion in just a few days, meaning that it is no longer a $1 trillion industry. The most recent collapse in the industry was brought on by the ATX liquidity crash. Powell, though, bases his projections on the level of activity he presently observes in the crypto and Web3 sectors, together with his capacity for growth. He asserted that because crypto and Web3 are attracting some of the largest names in the tech and banking industries, venture capital investment is booming in these areas. He also asserted that the market cap will climb and the current macroeconomic instability will abate. There are all the major Web2 players present. The financial system as a whole is implicated. Everyone is moving gingerly because of regulatory concerns, but you can't really see it because of that. But everyone is aware that this is the direction things are going. Personally, I've never witnessed anything like it. It resembles the internet in some ways, yet it moves more quickly and has a bigger scope than the internet, which sounds absurd. This is because it adds value to the protocol layers by itself. He claimed that in the next 10 to 15 years, there will be a significant increase in value across practically all traditional asset markets, amounting to between $200 and $300 trillion. According to him, the value will grow in the cryptocurrency markets at the fastest and greatest rate ever recorded, and saying that the change will be more significant than both the internet and oil. I'll also assert that everyone will launch as soon as the macro is resolved. Everyone that invested VC in the space made it feasible for this launch to take place. In the past 18 months, $60 billion in venture capital has been invested. We're going to witness a ton of items, new developments, and breakthroughs in the next 6 to 12 months due to the cycle speed and the cryptocurrency, he continued, and we'll need to shift the narrative for it massively once more. In addition, Powell recently claimed that everyone is grossly underestimating the potential of a certain area of the cryptocurrency industry. In a lengthy Twitter thread, Powell informed his 984,000 followers that non-fungible tokens, or NFTs for short, have the power to fundamentally alter almost every aspect of societal infrastructure. Most individuals believe that NFTs only apply to cultural contexts, such as the art community or brands and passwords, according to the founder of Real Vision. Only the very tip of the iceberg exists. Most people don't realize that the tokenization of culture is practically infinite and has only begun. As contracts become more effective, affordable, quick, and secure, they will all be tokenized as NFTs, he declared. The macro expert went on to say that the entire financial sector might eventually be compelled to integrate with NFTs and blockchain technology because it is too huge for the old city of London. It was based, he claimed, on contracts that were extremely extensive. He underlined that because NFTs are intelligent, enforcement and dispute resolution are automatic, less expensive, and quicker, just like storage and ownership. Powell is optimistic that foresight will probably be halted for the past few days because everything is occurring so quickly. The price of the FTX native token is still falling, and there have been growing worries regarding FTX's apparent solvency. The huge crypto business that Sam Bateman, who was liberated from prison, constructed is disintegrating. And as it happens, the CEO of FTX will no longer be a part of the billionaires club. This is what happens when cash vanishes into thin air, and SPF's wealth fell by 94% to just under $99.5 million in a single day after he disappeared overnight off the Bloomberg Billionaires Index. The cryptosphere is currently not secure. As sharp decreases in the prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum marketplaces ensued, the cryptocurrency contagion spread. Cardano ADA, which had strong fundamentals, was also affected by this cascading loss. Although many of the biggest coins should withstand the storm and increase in value over time, cryptocurrency still has a good chance of recovering. Cardano has frequently been described as having tremendous long-term worth. But since cryptocurrencies are famously unstable, there's a chance they won't recover stronger, particularly in the case of less valuable and well-known coins. In general, cryptocurrencies are becoming more and more popular, and more businesses are embracing them as payment methods. Since no one is certain that the coins of today will still be in circulation in several decades, people are still investing with skepticism. Long-term stability and security are ensured by sticking with recognized coins like Cardano ADA. Going all in is obviously not a good idea right now, but you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. Definitely not a casino game, cryptocurrency. If the stock market continues to serve as a benchmark, the cryptocurrency market will probably bounce back once more. The blockchain, of course, is the technology that underpins cryptocurrency, therefore its viability is dependent on it. The blockchain technology's fundamental components represent enormous advancements, and happily, Cardano is developing so quickly in this particular area. In a way, the royal palace's predictions appear plausible, but they are open to question given the state of the cryptocurrency market right now. Will cryptocurrency ever return to its record-breaking highs from 2021? Is the unanswered question. Of course,